Today is July 15th, 2022. We are in the dead of summer. Hot 90-degree days.
Hot 90-degree days.
Take a look at what, if you listen to my lawn tips, what your lawn could look like in the middle of summer. Does that look like a lawn that's getting hit by summer? This looks like a lawn coming fresh out of spring. Notice what I'm doing, okay? What do you see right there? My last video, we talked about irrigation. So I got a sprinkler out there. It is 8 o'clock at night, somewhere around 8 o'clock at night. Again, this is cool season grass. And the reason I want you to go out and get a sprinkler is because it covers a large area. So this sprinkler comes all the way out to here, roughly. And then all I got to do is put it out here, and there, my lawn's going to be done. I want you to get a good look at the lawn, because I would love for you guys to get results like this in the dead of summer. Now, what did I do to achieve this? You saw the products that I use. I use Lone Star iron from Lone Star, a sprinkler, so irrigation in the morning or at night. This is a nighttime irrigation that I'm doing. But I've been out 7 o'clock. The neighbors will tell you I've been out 7 o'clock in the morning, maybe for 2 hours, and just to give my lawn a drink. You do not cut the grass during the heat. Very important. Do not mow your grass, okay, at lunchtime. Stop that. All right, the other neighbors are struggling because I am waiting for nighttime to cut my grass. Not when it's dark, but definitely when the sun goes down. Now would be a great time to mow, but I don't want to mow. Also, in the summertime, you don't want to let your grass really, you don't want to keep mowing your grass, okay? If you notice when you mow in the summer, it's going to be brown under there. Don't want to do that. Let your grass grow, okay? Now, here's my tip of the day. So, I let this grass grow really thick, and I couldn't use my Sun Joe because that scalp's way too low. So I got my tractor out, and I took my tractor, and then I don't know if you can see the lines. I have a new set of lines going this way. Okay, hard to do with my finger here, but see these lines coming down this way? That was my tractor. So what I did is I took it from around here and went straight out. And I will not use my Sun Joe probably on this lawn for a little while because we are in the dead of heat. So what I will do is use my tractor for now, and then once in a while hit my Sun Joe, you know, maybe right after I got my tractor, just to keep the stripes. Okay, so there's your lawn tip for the day, and until the next video, I'll see you on the lawn.